and down, in and out. A lifetime of rambling and roaming, shuffling around from town to town, just to get where I'm going. I know, 'cause I stood out there on that open road with my fortune to be told, and it all spread out like a ribbon of gold. The signs went whizzing by, the miles went clicking by, everything was moving so fast. Up in the distance, I'm sure there's something, but nothing's holding us back. We were already gone. There's a jackpot up there, we wanted some, so we just let it roll, and it all spread out like a ribbon of gold. I don't listen when the boys start bitching about the way things went down in the past, 'cause I was there and I was listening. I'm telling you, we had a blast. We were gone, 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 standing on some corner in the early morning with no direction home, and it all spread out like a ribbon of gold. Yeah, like a ribbon of gold. Come on, boys. We made it as far as Manhattan, Kansas. That's where the whole